Boom! What is up, Wanderers? We are back for another one-take bag review. You know, everybody on YouTube is going to be showing you the newest thing from Air. Everybody on YouTube is going to be showing you the, nomadic bags that are coming out. And yeah, they're cool. And yes, I will do that too. But every once in a while, I will bring you something that nobody else is going to show you, and that's what we're doing today, right? So, have you ever seen this bag? The answer to that question is, I can guarantee you, nope, haven't seen that one before. So, this is a really unique bag. It's from a company called Geekshare, and I got it for only $24. So, where did I get this bag? I got it off wish.com. I know what you're thinking. That's a terrible idea. And I agree with you, but I keep one eye on strange places to get gear just in case something ever pops up that I'm really interested in, that I think you might be interested in as well. All right, you know what we do on this channel. We do one-take bag reviews. We're going to walk through this bag inside and out. I'm going to give you 2 things that I like about the bag, 2 things that I don't like as much, and then an overall recommendation. Should you buy this bag? All right, so what is this thing? Well, it is a messenger style or satchel style bag from Geekshare. And it's in a really weird colorway, and it's got a couple of really strange features. And so I like unique bags just as much as I love, insanely cool bags and kind of best of what's around bags. So let's get into this thing. All right, exterior review. First off, this bag is in a canvas material, kind of JanSport style. That's what I would call it. It's got some cool exterior details like this orange piping. I think we've got to call out that it's got a transparent pocket on the front. It's got a little hook and loop spot. It comes with this Geekshare Velcro morale patch, and then the spot itself is about, $50 sized. All right, so you have a strap that is not great material, if I'm being honest. You've got some leatherette details, and on the back, just a flat back of the bag. The zippers themselves are nothing special, kind of cheap, except for this one, which is waterproof, which is interesting. So this bag is all about the pockets, so let's dive into the pockets and talk about them. What is going on with these pockets? Let's start with the obvious one. You have a clear pocket. Why would you want a clear pocket? Well, I can only guess that you would want a clear pocket to show off 1 or 2 things, right? So I put my AirPods case in there. That's a bit of a wander case. And put in a Sharpie, and I put in kind of some business cards. Other things I could think that you would put in there, maybe you're a gamer and you want to throw in a little gaming device in there as a conversation piece, right? So maybe instead of my business cards, I'm going to throw in my little gaming device. Okay, I could see that. So down here, now this pocket is actually very, very useful. I've got my power brick in there. You can put a cord or 2 in there. That's a usefully sized pocket. It does open at a weird angle. So this pocket opens this way. It's not a deal breaker. Things don't fall out. So interesting pocket. This one is kind of white leatherette. This one is clear plastic. This pocket is magnetized. Pretty good magnet too, by the way. I put in all kinds of little tech doodads for my videoing, my SD cards, my dongles. And I've got one more dongle in there. We'll leave it for now. It's way down in there. All right. Then you have this kind of pocket right here, which is black interior, and again, it is waterproof. I put nothing in that pocket. More on that in a minute. Then you have what is purported to be a water bottle holder, but way too slim to actually be a water bottle holder. But it is a nice slip pocket. I put in there pocket knife and flashlight. All right, And now I can get my dongle out. All right. So we're unloading this bag as we go, showing you how much stuff we can put into this thing. On the back, you have another pocket. This one is very slim, black interior, nylon. We're talking documents only, passport situation, pamphlets, like very slim items only in the back of this bag. And you have the main compartment of this bag, which is actually pretty big. For a bag this small in terms of form factor, it's a pretty big main compartment. You have on the front compartment of this bag a Velcro sleeve that only goes up about halfway on the bag. So I'm not sure why they only went halfway with that sleeve, but I put some extra cords in there. And in the main compartment, I put my switch and my gimbal. There's also two elastic pockets, kind of nomadic style, I would say, or icon style from Encase, and a tablet sleeve that is padded and has a Velcro closure. All right, so that's everything I was able to get into this bag comfortably. Let's talk about this bag. Two things that I really enjoy about this very unique bag from Geekshare. First off, I love the look of it. That's why I bought the thing. I think it looks really, really cool. Now, is it something that I would rock every day? No, but is it something that I think they took some risks on? And the name of the bag is, the company is again Geekshare. So they're appealing, I think, to kind of gamers, you know, Pokemon collectors, that kind of situation. And I think it's really cool. So, interesting bag. Love the colorway. Love that I've seen things on this bag that I just haven't seen before, even from major makers. And it's kind of a Frankenstein. They've got a little bit of everything, right? They've got waterproof pockets. They've got clear pockets. They've got leather pockets. The pockets are opening in all kinds of different directions. So what do I love about this bag? The risks that the maker took, unnecessarily, I might add. They didn't have to do all this to this bag, but they did, and it's cool. The second thing that I really enjoy about this bag is actually the interior layout and space. You've got 3-4 pockets in this space, 2 with Velcro closures, 2 that are elasticized, and a pretty spacious main compartment. So this is a really well laid out interior. Yeah, pretty interesting. I like that. Now, let's talk about 2 things we don't like about this bag. The first thing we don't like about this bag is everything over here. It's just too tight. And once you put anything in this main compartment, these pockets become, now these pockets are great. These are actually really good pockets. They have their own dimension. They're really cool. Should have done the same over here. These slip pockets, they're just too tight. There's no give. And if you load out these pockets, it robs space from the interior. It makes the interior unusable. If you load out the interior, it robs space from these exterior pockets and makes them unusable. So you can't really win with that. So these pockets, not very useful. The second thing that I don't like about this bag is, frankly, materials. It's not an incredibly well-made bag. Now, is it disastrously bad? No, it's not. It really isn't. But I don't like the strap, I don't like the clips, and I don't like the zippers. So those are all high-use parts of this bag. Do I think it's going to fall apart with daily use quickly? No. But do I think this is a bag you're going to buy and expect to have it around for years? Also, no. Do I recommend you buy this bag? Interesting. Now, overall, no, I don't. It's not a great bag, but could I see this being a unique carry at like a Comic-Con? Taking this to, a very specific destination, only a couple of bucks to spend on it. Yeah, it's an interesting bag to have. If you love the look of it, you won't be disappointed that you have it. And for that little spend, you're definitely not going to worry about it. So it is cool. It is great as a tablet carry. It's great as a Nintendo Switch carry. it's not great as much beyond that. So think about it before you buy it. You've seen what fits into it. You know the problems now, specifically with the material choices for the strap. And by the way, straps are changeable. So if you love the bag, just swap a strap from a different bag and you'll be fine. And then you know the problem with the kind of whole side of the bag here being way too tight. You're only going to be slipping like papers into that section and only papers into the back section. There's not a lot of give. All right, so that's it. That's the review. I hope you enjoyed seeing this really unique bag. I enjoyed getting my hands on it. I enjoyed checking it out. If you enjoyed this review, please, please, please like the video, subscribe if you're new here, and everybody, we'll see you next time. Bye for now, Wanderers.